when Jagannath Puri. Sridham Sridhatika. Vrindavan, Navadip, and Vrindavan. And Vrindavan. Because Jagannath Puri, important because there is a bit of explain. If you go Jagannath Puri, then you will see the problem of Israel. Krishna Viraha Vidu Radha, Radha Viraha Vidu Krishna. Krishna takes kind of separation from Krishna Viraha Vidu Radha Viraha Vidu Krishna. And Srimati Radhika takes kind of separation from Krishna. Then you have Chaitanya. You have Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thinking, I am Radha. Not like remembering Krishna, he left. Maybe a night or he was crying. Then, especially in the areas of Gambhira. They stumbled up, somebody died. Radhika told me, Gambhira means here. Gambhira. Gambhira? Very deep separation. Radhika Sapati is represented to Radhika. Radhika Bhagavaji Uddhava Darsane, same motto, right? Prabhu. When Uddhava he came in Braj, and he saw Srimati Radhika transcendental, and Diplo Manadini Samati. What is it? Diplo Manadini Samati. Srimati Radhika, Srimati Radhika, she is called Vishwanandini Samati. Are two different. One is called Samyogini Radha, and is called Yogini. Samyogini Radha, she came Kurukshetra and met with that's called Samyogini Radha. Listen. Kurukshetra. That's a very good of friend. Somebody else can see to it. And feels such a little bit in somebody can see to it. But friends. And same Radha are my beloved Krishna is same Krishna. You so I am. But I am not. Both are meeting together in Kurukshetra. But I am not. Why? Because here Krishna's mood is different from Krishna is thinking, I am king of Dwarka is Krishna. And he is also dressed also here. Rajvesh royal dress. Very nice, beautiful, golden and what is called? Crown. Understand? You have golden crown or no? Is Dwarkadish, the golden crown. And gorgeous, all dressed very nice, beautiful, gorgeous. No peacock feather and no clothes. Gurudev told. Srimati Radhika and Gopis Brajvasi, they will be happy if they see Krishna two things. Are there two things? Peacock feather on his turban and fruit. Bunks. But in Kurukshetra Dwarka Krishna he has no peacock feather and no fruit. So we know that. And other things also, Krishna
always in this mood. And I am Kshatriya. Kshatriya understand? I am Kshatriya. And in Vrindavan, Krishna's mood, that is called Kauharva. And Gopavis, Venukar, Nagakisur, Natovar, Naralila, by Onuru. Like this form or not? Krishna jate khela sarvottam naralila narabapu tahara saru Gopavis Venukar Navakisur Natavar Naralila by Onuru. So Krishna jate khela sarvottam naralila narabapu tahara saru Gopavis Venukar Navakisur Natavar. Barhaviran Robo Karnikan, Vibradavasakan Kosim Vijantamaram, Ranhan Veno Radarshya Purano, Gopa Bindi, Bindaram Savaramanam, Pravisadiki. This is Krishna's origin form. So Srimati Radhika she told, I am same Radha. And my beloved Krishna is same Krishna. Because according to the Tattva Darshan, Krishna is same or no? And Siddhanta Tattva Veda Sri Krishna Sarupayo. From the conception of the scripture, there are no different Krishna and Narayan. But more different. Tattva Siddhanta. Vrindavan Krishna's mood is yours. And Gopa mood. And Gopa Veda. Which means is dress, forms, and Gopavis, Venukar, and he keeps the clothes, peacock feather. Very nice, beautiful, his smiling face. And Trilanga Lalit, 3-band fold also. And in Dwarka Kurukshetra, Rajvesh, royal dress. Mood also, Kshatriya mood. And Kshatriya people always one. What is it called?
Fight.
Fight. Fighting mood. He's saying fighting mood. And many people also coming, going, many kings, they are coming and giving respect to him. And many horses, many elephants, and golden chariot. And day and night also sound coming. What is coming? Gurr. The horse of chariot making sound. There is no sound. Morning walk, no car, nothing. Only peacock, peahen, cuckoo bird. But their devotees are saying this is called Turkey. Anyhow, you have the peacock or not?
Yes, there's some here.
So this is Belmumia. But Dwarkapuri or Kurukshetra, no peacock, no peahen, no cuckoo birds, no Jamuna Devi, especially no Jamuna Harivar. So for this Srimati Radhika Priyo Soham Sadhi Kurukshetra. So my heart is not over there. Have to go back in it. Go back to Vrindavan. So that you explain, that is called Srimati Radhika to expansion. One is called Sanjogini Radha and it is called Viyogini Radha. Sanjogini Radha she met with Krishna in Kurukshetra. And another her expansion that is called Viyogini Radha. And she felt frankly separation from Krishna. And she was staying in Uddhav Kyari. And we are going that place. Radhikar bhav jaichi Uddhav darsane. Sei mata rahe Prabhu ratri dine. Kaviraj Goswami say, the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was staying in Gambhira, that time this mode, and separation mode, they are crying. कहाँ मोर प्राणनाथ मुरली बदन, कहाँ जाऊं कहाँ पाऊं ब्रजेंद्र नंदन, कहाँ जाऊं कहाँ पाऊं ब्रजेंद्र नंदन, कहाँ रे कोई वो दुख के जाने वो दुख ब्रजेंद्र नंदन बिना कृष्ण चंद्र कृष्ण चंद्र कुल. There is Krishna, who is the moon of Braj. And again, I will again his beautiful form, that's day and night crying. So saying the Radhikar, separation. That is called Yogini Radha. Those are laughing, actually they are internally crying. Or those are externally crying, internally happy. Opposite way. You understand or not? How do you understand? Opposite way. যত দেখো বৈষ্ণবের ব্যবহার দুঃখ তাহাতে জানিও তুমি হৃদয়ে পরম আনন্দ. Externally who is crying, or internally heart over যায়. This is the process. So for this regard, Bengali song, যত দেখো বৈষ্ণবের ব্যবহার দুঃখ তাহাতে জানিও তুমি অন্তরে হৃদয় পরম আনন্দ. Understand? This is the thing. What do you prefer? Laugh or cry? I'm confused. What do you prefer? Cry. Now she is crying. This is true. Cry for Krishna. In this material world, people they are crying for material things. Wealth, money, wife, children, cats, dog. Crying or not? Who is not crying? Everybody is crying. And even crying for his also many position, love, puja, pratishtha. Understand? If you lose your position, you will be crying or not, sir? This is true. But Shastra saying you have to cry for Krishna. Krishna boli kando mago, dukkha dure jabe, dakile nimai bole nimai harale. Mahaprabhu told, oh my mother, you cry for Krishna. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu specified his mother, Sachidevi. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu met with Sachidevi in the house of Advaita Acharya Santipur. That time Sachi Mataji was crying and crying and crying. Gaur Leela, restrict. And that time Sachi Mataji told Nimai, you have to return back my home. Your young wife, Vishnupriya Devi said. And if you not go, what will do? And I am old, Sachi Mataji said. And that time Nimai told, Nimai very humble, told my mother, listen. And I don't know why did I take sannyas. And I don't know the meaning of sannyas. Something happened, so I took sannyas. Maybe I become crazy. So I took sannyas. And if you order me, I will give up sannyas and again return back my home. But my mother didn't take. If I give up sannyas, then big problem will be. Everybody blame to you. Because sannyasam sirosi mama. Sannyas dharma is called highest. Then Sachi Mata said, oh, no need to give up your sannyas. But you don't go Vrindavan. You stay in Jagannath Puri. Very nice katha is there. Matri Bhakta Siromani Sajanandan Gaur Hari. Then Nimai, he came in Jagannath Puri. This katha is there. And feeling the same separation mood of Srimati Radhika. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thinking, I am Radha. This mood. And crying day and night, crying and crying. Kaha mor prananath, murali vadan, kaha jaun, kaha paun, Brajendra Nanda. After long separation, now I am meeting with my beloved Krishna. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu arrived in Jagannath Puri, then he saw Jagannath, this beautiful form. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I am Radha, now after long separation, now I am meeting with my beloved Krishna. This mood is that Sanskrit there is Sudibgra Vipralambha, long separation. Then meeting with his beloved Krishna. This mood. Understand or not? Listen or not? So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I am going to embrace to Jagannath. Then Pujari stopped to him. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu fell down and fainted. Then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, same time Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he came. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he was learned and scholar's person. He has vast of knowledge of the Shastra. When he saw Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's 8 ecstatic symptoms, Pashasattva Vikara, then he became very surprised. He is not an ordinary person. But Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya is not thinking he is same Krishna. All the ecstatic symptoms manifest in his heart. Dhumai Jalita Dipta Uddipta Suddipta Mahabhav. Mahabhav, different stages. What is it called? Remember. What do you say? You forget. Dhumait, Jalit, Dipta, Uddipta and Suddipta Mahabhav. Understand? Dhumait means as like smoke. And 1 or 2 ecstatic mood manifest. That is called Dhumait. Dhumait means that is called Dhum means that is called smoke. Understand? Dhumait. Then Jalit, 2 and 3 ecstatic mood manifest. That is called Jalit. Jalit means fire, flame coming. First smoke, then fire coming. And the flame of fire comes. Then after Dhumai Jalita Dipta, then flame go out, and then so much delight, what is called? And delightfulness comes. Eh? You may understand, if you put the fire in the charcoal, you know charcoal? Eh? Charcoal, understand? What do you call charcoal? Or the wood or the coal?
The coal, yeah, ember.
Ember. First is got they put fire, then first coming smoke, then flame coming up. Then after a few minutes, then flame disappear, gone. Then also that will be
Coal, ember. Coal.
then coming the delightfulness and illuminated. Okay. So Dhumai Jali, that is called Dipta. 3 or 4 ecstatic mood coming. Everything depends on the how many numbers of ecstatic mood coming. Romancha Kampasu Vaivarna. Dhumai Jalita, that is called Dipta. Dhumai Jalita Dipta. Then Suddipta, at a time, and 4 or 5, 5 to 6 minutes. And understand? These types of ecstatic mood manifest. That is called Dhumai Jalita Dipta. A Suddipta, at a time, all the ecstatic mood. 8. And Romancha Kampasu Vaivarna. And all these at a time manifest. That is called Suddipta Mahabhava. You understand? Not understand, no problem. Because this is a high level. And this Suddipta Mahabhava only manifested in the body of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Srimati Radhika. Not third one. Understand? For this regard, and Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained. And Srimati Radhika, in her separation mood, she recited one verse. What is verse? I forget. What is the verse? Madhavendra Puripad, he recited. First Srimati Radhika, then Oi Dino Deadro Natha Mathura Natha Kada Avalokase. This verse first recited by Srimati Radhika. Then second, Madhavendra Puripad. Or third, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Chautha Jan Kabu Nahi Suni. Fourth person not possible. Understand? This thing. So saying Radhikar Bhav Jaiche Uddhav Darshane Sei Mata Hare Pahuratri. So now coming Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he noticed. Then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he becomes surprised. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya is thinking, he is not an ordinary person. He told the Pujari, hey, don't touch his body. Then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he brought to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in his place. This katha is there. Good. Then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya gave him lesson and about Vedanta Sutra. This katha is there, just I explained. 7 days Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he gave Vedanta Sutra all. And all the students of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, they told, Gurudev, what you are speaking, we can understand everything. Very nice. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya asked Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nimai, Naveen Sannyasi, what is your opinion? Do you understand what I am speaking about Vedanta Sutra? And I am giving all the commentary from Vedanta Sutra. And especially I am giving Vedanta Sutra's all commentary from Sankaracharya, Sankar Bhash, Sarir Bhash. Do you understand or not? And because I am giving 7 days, nice Hari Katha, Commentary on Vedanta Sutra of Shankaracharya, Jagadguru Shankaracharya. But you are not giving any response. If you understand or not, if you understand, they will be happy. If you not understand, then you will be asked, this is the question or not? If you not understand, then you ask, I cannot understand what you are speaking. Please explain again. As like Parikshit Maharaj, he asked to Sukadeva Goswami Pad, and hey Brahman Gurudev, I can't understand this katha. You can also explain more. Sukadeva Parikshit Maharaj asked or not? The Krishna is the supreme personality of God, is saying Bhagavan. He comes in this material world to re-establish the Varnashram Dharma. Paradaro vimarsanam kim abhipraya jadupate. Or Krishna, he performed ras dance with the gopis, those who are the wife of other gopis. So this is a paradaro vimarsanam. Kim abhipraya jadupate. Parikshit Maharaj asked this question. Understand? The Krishna performed ras dance with the gopis. Are the gopis, they are the wife of others Gopa. Krishna did not marry. Krishna performed ras dance with the gopis. Dancing, singing, embracing, kissing. So what kinds of this Leela is going on? I can understand. Because you already told, Krishna, he comes in this material world to reestablish Varnashram Dharma and kill the demon and protect the sadhus. Paritrano sadhunam vinasaya duskritam dharma samsthapanartha sambhavami juge juge. This is true. But paradaro vimarsanam. So this is Varnan. How possible he established the Varnashram Dharma? He is not following the rules and regulations of Varnashram Dharma scriptures. So I can understand. So Parikshit Maharaj asked this question. Remember, I am saying, so for this regard, just I also explain this. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya asked to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, 7 days I am giving and Shankar on the commentary of Vedanta Sutra. This is Shankar Bhashya, Jagadguru Shankaracharya. And all my students, they completely understood. They understand. All the students say, yes, Gurudev, what we are speaking. And we are understanding. As like and water, liquid. Aha, very nice. Snapan. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya asked to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, do you understand or not? If you understand, then you will be happy. Smile comes. If you not understand, then you ask. And Gurudev, I can understand. But I am not looking for any and any symptoms you are understand or not. And that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, what you are speaking, that is completely what? False. Wrong. But when you just recited this verse of Vedanta Sutra, then I am thinking the sun and blazing sun. And when you give the explanation about the Vedanta Sutra, then sun completely covered with the cloud. Then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya become very angry. That means I am speaking all wrong. My explanation is not perfect. And this explanation is coming from Jagadguru Shankaracharya. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained. You are doing all the wrong. Cut this philosophy, Shankar Vasa cut. So then later Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested his Sarvabhuj form. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya completely surrendered to the feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then he recited very nice top stuti to Lord Chaitanya. Vairagya Vidyan Yavakti Yogam Sikhtharthamegam. This sloka. So now coming this, just I also give an example this way. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in Gambhira and this mood. What mood? I am Radha. And now my beloved Krishna left. This is so saying the Radhikar Bhav Jaiche Uddhava Darshane. Sahi mata Prabhu Arhe Ratri Dine. Day and night Chaitanya Mahaprabhu feeling same separation mood of Srimati Radhika. That mood is called which mood? Viyogini Radha. And crying. But externally crying, internally what? So much happiness comes. So just I also explain this way. Jato dekho Vaishnaver Vyavahar Dukkha. Those who are pure devotee. And externally they are crying. But internally there's so much happiness comes. So just to establish this thing. So this mode coming. Now we'll go to his house. So fire sacrifice, then Harikatha little, and then Mahaprasad. Otherwise you will be angry. If you are not hungry, if you are hungry, then you will become angry. So, if I speak here 10 o'clock, no problem. My nature. If I start to speak, very difficult to stop. Without break. You understand? And one person, he was, what is it called? He's bicycle. No, bicycle, motorcycle. Motorcycle, and riding motorcycle, very high speed. Then in the middle, one police told him, hey, stop. Understand? And police told, hey, you have no, what is called, light. Little bit darkness, but you have no light. Stop. That time he's not stopping, he's going. Why not stopping? Then it became, I have no light, this is true. Also, I have no brake also. Understand? What do you understand? I have no light, also I have no brake. So police can say, it's also God. Don't stop, don't stay. You understand or not?
You have no brakes.
No brakes. Harikatha, no brakes. You understand? Jai Sri Ram. Okay, now going there. Krishna, Jai Vrindavan, Rasika Mukutta Mani, Jaya Gopijan, Jai Radhe, Jai Krishna, Jai Vrindavan, Rasika Mukutta Mani, Jaya Gopijan. মনি জয় গোপী জয় রাধে জয় কৃষ্ণ জয় বৃন্দাবন রসিকা মুকুটমণি জয় গোপী রাধে 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 শ্যাম রাধে রাধে শ্যাম শ্যাম রাধে 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 শ্যাম রাধে রাধে শ্যাম শ্যাম রাধে শ্যাম যুগল मेरो है जीवन राधे श्याम युगल मेरो है जीवन जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपीजन जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपीजन राधे 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 श्याम राधे राधे श्याम श्याम राधे 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 श्याम राधे राधे श्याम श्याम राधे श्याम मेरो है जीवन राधे श्याम जुगल मेरो है जीवन श्यामी सो मेरो प्यार श्यामी मेरो भरतार श्यामी सो मेरो प्यार श्यामी मेरो भरतार श्यामी समायूं आठों जम तन मन की श्यामी समायूं आठों जम तन मन की कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी नित्य सेवा नित्य धाम नित्य पाऊं आठो जाम नित्य सेवा नित्य धाम नित्य पाऊं आठो जाम राख रुचि सोज ठाकुरानी राख रुचि सोज ठाकुरानी की जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी श्यामी सो मेरो प्यार श्यामी मेरो भरता श्यामी सो मेरो प्यार श्यामी मेरो भरता श्यामी समायूं आठों जम तन मन की श्यामी समायूं आठों जम तन मन की कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी नित्य सेवा नित्य धाम नित्य पाऊं आठो जाम नित्य सेवा नित्य धाम नित्य पाऊं आठो जाम राख रुचि सोजोई ठाकुरानी राख रुचि सोजोई ठाकुरानी जय राधे कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी मेरो एक प्राण धन एक ये जीवन मेरो एक प्राण धन एक ये जीवन नंदन नंदन मदन मोहन राधिका नंदन नंदन मदन मोहन राधिका जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी ओ रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी जन जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुटमणि जय गोपीजन। स्वामी सो मेरो प्यार स्वामी मेरो वर्ता स्वामी सो मेरो प्यार स्वामी मेरो वर्ता स्वामी समायो आठो जाम तन मन की स्वामी समायो आठो जाम तन मन की। जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुटमणि जय गोपीजन। जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुटमणि जय गोपीजन। मेरो एक प्राण धन एक ये जीवन मेरो एक प्राण धन एक ये जीवन। नंदन मदन मोहन राधिका रमन नंदन मदन मोहन राधिका रमन। जय वृंदावन रसिक मुकुटमणि जय गोपीजन।